So if you know how many times something needs to be executed, uh, then there is an excellent function in Clojure called dotimes. I don't know whether to call these functions or loops. Okay, so, in other languages, you might be calling them loops, but since Clojure is functional programming language, I just assume that okay, like we are just passing argument to these functions like dotimes, and internally they will just execute a loop. Okay, so that's it. So I'll call them functions. Right? So there is an excellent thing called dotimes, and we'll see about it. So this works best when you know in advance how many times the loops a particular piece of code should be executed. So let me just open my VS Code. Okay, I've just started my lean REPL, and I've just connected to this port 63101, and hopefully things work. So okay, right. Oops. Option, or I think control enter, depending on what system you're using. Right? So, okay, so I'll just put a file called two times. Two times. Let's see. Let's bring it over here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so there is do times. Okay, and you can have a variable which you can use in that loop. And let's say like I just want this loop to execute 5 times. Okay, so what I'm just doing now is like I'm just printing the right. That's it. Okay, so and then yeah, option enter or control enter depending on the system you have. You just have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Look, Canva does put what to say the semicolon before, or it just makes it like close a comment, and there is some reasoning given over here, right? Okay, so but I don't understand what's the reasoning. But yeah, if you can understand, put it in comments. That's good. Otherwise, yeah, it still works. It's still good enough for me, right? Okay, so that's it. So what you're just having is do times. Okay, so and then you're just having a variable. Actually, you're just having a vector over here. Let me make it bigger. Okay, you're just having a vector over here, and you're just saying how many times it should be executed. So don't think that X will be 5 at first. Usually in computers, the naming starts with 0. So first, or the numbering starts with 0. So X will be 0 at first, and then it'll just come inside the loop, and it'll just print 0. And now once again, X will go here. I think do times will ensure that X gets incremented. And then X will be 1 and 1 will be printed, so on and so forth till 5. So that's how it is, right? Okay. Now let me just tell you another convention we use in programming. Okay, so do times, and then let me just put like something like x5 and something like that. And okay, I'm just printing X over here. So do times, okay, right? And now let me just execute it. Okay, I'm just getting it. Okay, now I just don't want to print X. I'll just put like println and then hello world, right? And execute it, and it prints 5 times. Okay, so that's good, right? So now, actually, you're not using this X anywhere in this, what to say, do times. Okay, so that's the thing. And so what to do? Like the best way to what to say tell to other programmers who read your program that okay, you're not using this counter or increment or whatever it is like to assign it to a variable called underscore. So now see, like even I think the Canva is just showing something. If I just put X, you just see a yellow thing, right? Okay, like yeah, unused binding. Okay, but if I just put underscore, it just understands. Look, okay, I know that underscore is unused. Okay, so that's how it is. And so even in functions, like if you just have a positional argument, but you're still not using it, just put an underscore, right? And that means it tells to other programmers, okay, look, I just need something over there, but still, I'm not using it for now, right? Okay, so that's the thing. Right? So this is do times a very, very simple, what to say, a looping stuff, a function that does looping stuff in Clojure, right? Yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.